Hey guys, today we're going to work on the other operations that deal with rational functions. We're going to learn about addition and subtraction. The thing with addition and subtraction is you have to have a common denominator. You can't add or subtract if the denominators are not the same. So if they're not the same, you have to make them be the same by finding a common denominator. So rewrite the problem using a common denominator, combine the numerators and keep the common denominator, and simplify the remaining expression. Now, as you look here in these first few, they're already a common denominator. So all you need to do is combine like terms and then simplify like we did in section number 1. So for problem number 1, we would have 18a over 4a squared, which is just 9 over 2a. And for problem number 2, we have 9x minus 7x, so 2x, and 12 minus 2 is 10 over 16. And that's 2 times x plus 5 over 16, which is x plus 5 over 8. And then for number 3, we have y squared plus 10y plus 21. I'm going to go ahead and factor that denominator. And then you have y plus 3 and y plus 7 over y plus 3, y minus 3, which is y plus 7 over y minus 3. You're going to find some of these boxes get real small real quick. So 1 minus 16a squared over 3 times 4a minus 1 is 1 plus 4a, 1 minus 4a over 3 times 4a minus 1. Cancel with a negative. So you have negative 1 plus 4a in parentheses over 3. And then for number 5, we have n squared plus 2n minus 8 over n plus 3n minus 2, which is n plus 4, n minus 2 over n plus 3, n minus 2, which is n plus 4 over n plus 3. Remember, those n's do not cancel. They are inside of a binomial. 14k squared minus 7k over, we've got 6, negative 5 divided by 6 is negative 2, negative 3, negative 1/2, and negative 1/3. So that's 3k minus 1, 2k minus 1. And on top, we're going to take out a 7k and get 2k minus 1. So our answer is 7k over 3k minus 1. Now, what happens if the denominators are not the same? If the denominators are not the same, you have to make them the same. So we have 2x and 3x. So the easiest way to do this is to set it up vertically. So if you have 15 over 2x minus 16 over 3x, to find the common denominator, you write what they have in common, and then you figure out what's left. So they have an x in common, and 2 doesn't go into 3 evenly, 3 doesn't go into 2 at all, so we multiply them together. Then you figure out what does it take to go from 2x to 6x, and that's a multiplying of 3. And then what does it take to go from 3x to 6x? That's a multiplying of 2. And so 35 minus 32 is 13 over 6x. Now, if you don't like that method, you're welcome to come up with your own. It is perfectly fine. So 4a over a squared. I'm going to simplify that. And I'm going to make that 4 over a and negative 7 over 8a. So what they have in common is a, and what is left is the 8. So times 8, 32, and that's just times 1, so minus 7. And you get 25 over 8a. Again, if you have a method that you like better, feel free to do so. Just make sure what you're doing is correct. All right, we're going to take a look here at some that are getting a little bit tougher here on the back. So we have k squared plus 16 over 5 times k minus 2 minus 4 over k minus 2. So our common factor is k minus 2, and then what's left is the 5. And these are the same, so the numerator stays the same. This one would be times 5, which is minus 20. So that leads you to add the numerators. K squared plus 16 minus 20 is k squared minus 4 over 5 times k minus 2. And I hope you can see where this is going. Factor. Cancel. And your answer is k plus 2 over 5. 7 over y plus 8 and 35 over y plus 8, y plus 3. What do they have in common and what's left? They have y plus 8 in common, y plus 3 is left. And then what does it take to go from the old to the new? Well, this one's times 1, and this one is times y plus 3. Combine like terms in the numerator. And then simplify. So this is 7 times y plus 8. I'm just going to write that. 7 times y plus 8. So the y plus 8's cancel. You have 7 over y plus 3. All right, we're going to pause the video here. I want you guys to try 11 through 16, and then I want you to come right back and we'll check and see how you did. All right, guys, welcome back. Let's take a look and see how you did. This has all the work on it, so let me know if there's something that you need to see or have questions on. Number 11 is x minus 1 over x plus 3. Number 12 is m plus 5 over m minus 2. 13 is 13w minus 27 over w minus 7w plus 1. 14 is b minus 6 times b plus 2 over b times b plus 3. 15 is 3 over 2 times p minus 3. And 16 is r minus 4 over 2r. So feel free to pause your video, look over the problems that you may have missed to see where your error was. You guys let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you soon.